Hi everyone, let's see your first question. Here they have given A and B are equally efficient. So there are two persons A and B and their efficiencies are equal. So efficiency ratio is 1:1. See the next part. Each could individually complete a piece of work in 30 days. So time they have given, A can complete the work in 30 days and B also 30 days. So total work, how much? Time multiplied with efficiency, the total work is 30 units. See the next part. A and B started working together on this piece of work, but A took a day off after every 4 days of work, while B took a day off after every 5 days of work. These are the conditions. See what they asked to find. If they start work on 1st of August, on which date the work will be completed. See, for example, A is me and B is my friend. So on 31st of July, we agreed to complete this work. So on 31st of July, we sat down and started calculating how many days it would take to complete this work. See, on first 4 days, we both will work, right? So first 4 days. See, 1 day of my efficiency is 1 unit, my friend efficiency is 1 unit. So if you work together on 1 day, we both together can complete 2 units. So on 4 days means 4 times 2. So in 4 days we can complete 8 units. On long 4 days straight, I will take a day off, right? See, A took a day off every 4 days of work. So on 5th day, only B will work with efficiency 1. So he can complete 1 unit on that day. My friend, after 5 long days, he will take a day off. Both B took a day off after 5 days of work. So on 6th day, only I alone do the work. My efficiency is 1 unit. So see here how many days? 4 days. These are 1 day and this is 1 day. So in 6 days, we completed 8, 9, 10. 8 plus 2, 10 units of work. Total work we need to complete 30 units, right? 30 units. So how many days? See, 10 times 3, 6 times 3. We got 18 days as our answer on 31st of July. So on August, we will take 18 days to complete the work. So if we start on 1st of August, we will complete the work on 18th August 2022, which is our answer, option number 2. Let's hear next question. See this trigonometric question. Like always, first let us solve a value substitution method. See here, the entire expression is in the form of sin theta cos theta, right? So we can take theta value either 0 degrees or 90 degrees. So if I take 0 degrees as theta value, the expression becomes 12 times sin 0 degrees 0, cos 0 degrees value 1. So 0 plus 1, 1. See 18 times again sin 0 degrees 0, cos 0 degrees is 1. 0 plus 1, 1 plus, see here sin 0 degrees is 0, 0 multiplied with any number 0. So 0. So finally got 12 plus 18, answer 30, which is option number 3 here. Now let us solve a normal method. Okay. For solving this expression in normal method, you need to know two formulas, which are sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta formula and sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta formula. See, sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta formula is 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta, and sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta formula 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. Okay. For solving purpose, I will write sin theta as S and cos theta as C. Okay. See now expression 12 times of sin power 4 theta cos power theta formula is 1 minus 2 S square C square, right? Okay. Plus 18 times sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta formula 1 minus 3 S square C square plus 78 S square C square. If we expand this expression, 12 times 2 is 24 S square C square plus 18 times 1 is 18 minus 18 times 3 how much? 30 plus 24, 54 s square c square plus 78 s square c square. See here, minus 24 s square minus 54 s square c square. Total how much? 78 s square c square, right? We already have plus 78 s square c square. So all this gets cancelled. We finally left with 12 plus 18, which is the value 30, again, which is option number 3. Let's see next question. See this question. In a 1500 meters race, x beats y by 100 meters. What is meant by x beats y by 100 meters here? So there are two people, x and y. Let us suppose the 1500 meters race is for t time. So if x can run 1500 meters, means if x can run 1500 meters in t time, y could run only 1400 meters, which means 100 meters less than x in particular t time. Now we understood, right? See, in a particular t time, if x could run 1500 meters, y could run 1400 meters only, means x beat y by 100 meters. Okay, see the next part. And x beats z by 240 meters, means there is another person z here. If x could run 1500 meters in a particular time t, y could run 240 less than what x could run in a particular time t, which means 1500 minus 240, which is 1260 meters. Okay, they asked us to find what distance does the y beat z in the same race. See here, y and z ratio. Okay, what is the y and z ratio here? 0 gets cancelled, 14 tens and 14 nines. So y is to z ratio distance is 10 is to 9 in this race, which means in a particular time t, if y could run 10 meters, z could run only 9 meters in same time. But our race is for 1500 meters, right? So if 10 equals 1500 meters, how much 9 equals? Here 10 150 times, similarly 9 150 times, 9 15s how much? 135 and one more 0, which means in a particular time t, if y could run 1500 meters, z could run only 1350 meters in same time. So y beat z how much difference? 150 meters, which is option number 3 here. Let's see next question. See this time and work question. A man and a woman can finish a work together. So there is a man and a woman can finish a work together in half the time taken by a woman and a boy, and a woman and a boy. Time ratio how much here? They said these two would take half the time taken by a woman and boy. If woman and boy takes 2 hours, half the time man plus woman would take 1 hour. So time ratio is 1:2. Efficiency ratio how much? 2:1. Okay. See the next part. A boy can finish the work alone in 20 days. So a boy, time is given as 20 days. And 2 women together can finish it in 30 days. See here, if 2 women together can complete a work in 30 days, 1 woman how many days? Twice of this time, right? 60 days. So 1 woman, time taken is 60 days. Time efficiency how much? 1:3. So efficiency ratio 3:1. See here, boy and woman, total efficiency how much? 4 parts. Here also boy plus woman, right? But here efficiency 1. Let's make efficiencies equal. So here 4 total, here 1, LCM is 4. Let's multiply this efficiency ratio with 4 to make equal. If I multiply with 4, 4 2s 8, 4 1s 4. See, now woman plus boy efficiency is 4 and total woman plus boy efficiency is also 4. See now, men plus women efficiency total how much? 8. See, men plus women efficiency total is 8. We already know each woman efficiency is 1. So, men plus 1 equals to 8. So, men efficiency is 7. What they asked us to find, in how many days will the work be finished by 4 men. So, they simply asked us time here. Time equals total work by efficiency, right? Time equals total work how much here? Either 3 times 20 or 1 times 60. So, total 60 units. Efficiency of 4 men. 4 and each man efficiency how much? 7 here. 7. So, for 15s. So, time here is 15 by 7. But the options is given in the decimal part. So, 15 by 7 how much? Approx 2.14 hours. Sorry, here days, right? So, 2.14 days, which is option number 2 here. Let's see next question. See this question. Here they have given the square of the difference between two given natural numbers is 324. Let us suppose x and y are two natural numbers and difference between them is x minus y. But the value 324 here is square of the difference between. So, x minus y whole square value is 324. From this, x minus y whole square equals 324 is nothing but 18 square, right? So, from this we got x minus y value as 18. See the next part. While the product of these two given numbers is 144, they also given us product of xy value as 144. They asked us to find difference between squares of given numbers. So, they asked us to find x square minus y square value. We discussed this kind of concept in previous quant videos, right? First, let us solve by trial and error method. So, I need to write 144 product of the two multiples such that the difference should be 18 and the product should be 144. See here, I can write 144 as 12 times 12 and 12 can be written as 3 times 4 and 6 can be written as 6 times 2. See, with this whole I can written as 6 times 4 is 24 and remaining 3 times 2 is 6. So, see the values here, 24 and 6, product is 144 and the difference between them is 24 minus 6 is 18. So, by trial and error method, x value is 24, y value is 6. So, we need to find x square minus y square. X how much? 24 whole square. Y how much? 6 whole square. 24 whole square is 576. 6 square is 36. So, our answer is 540. Now, let us solve by normal method. Okay. So, what do we have here? X minus y value as 18 and we also have xy value as 144. We need to find x square minus y square value. So, see here, x square minus y square can be written as x plus y multiplied with x minus y, right? So, we already have x minus y value which is 18. Now, we need to find x plus y value. We have a formula, right? X plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square 4xy. So, we need to find x plus y. So, x plus y whole square minus x minus y how much? 18. So, 18 square 4 times 144. 144 can be written as 18 times 8, right? See, 18 times 8 is 144. So, from this x plus y whole square equals 18 times 4 8 is 32 plus 18 square. So, if I take the 18 common, 32 plus 80 how much? 50. So, 18 5s 90. So, 900. So, we got x plus y whole square equals 900. So, x plus y value is 30. We got x plus y and we already have x minus y. So, x square minus y square, x plus y is 30 and x minus y is 18. 18 3s is 54 and 540 is our answer, which is option number 3. I hope you understood both the concepts. Now, let's hear next question. See this question. A shopkeeper purchases 6 small cold drink bottles for 100 rupees. So the total cost price is 100 rupees. For how much should he sell one such bottle in order to get 20%? They asked us to find one bottle selling price to get a profit of 20%. Okay, 20% is how much? 1 by 5, right? So here one part is profit and 5 parts is cost price, right? See here, if 5 parts is the cost price, 1 part is the profit, how much is the selling price? 5 plus 1, 6 parts, right? See here, so total 5 parts of cost price value is 100 rupees. So now 6 parts, selling price how much? 6 parts, 5, 20 is 100, similarly 6 20 is 120. This is the selling price of all the 6 bottles, but we want one bottle price. So 120 by 6, which is one bottle cost is 20 rupees, then we get profit of 20%, which is option number 1 here. Let's hear next question. See this question. Suresh and Anil are working on a project. Suresh takes 5 hours to type 40 pages. See, there is a person Suresh, in 5 hours he can type 40 pages. So in 1 hour, 40 by 5, 8 pages, right? So the efficiency of the Suresh is in 1 hour he can type 8 pages. See the next part. Anil needs 6 hours to type 32 pages. So there is a person Anil here. In 6 hours he can type 32 pages. So efficiency of Anil is in 1 hour 32 by 6, which is nothing but 16 by 3 pages in 1 hour. So we got efficiency of Suresh, which is 8 pages, and efficiency of Anil 16 by 3 pages. They asked us to find how much time will it take to type a 110 page assignment if they work on 2 different computers. Okay, see total work equals how much here? 110 divided by efficiency of Suresh is 8 and efficiency of Anil is 16 by 3. So see here, 110 divided by 3 8s 24, 24 plus 16, 40 divided by 3, we got 110, 3 by 40, cancel, 33 by 4 hours. So this can be written as 8 1 by 4 hours, but they are given in minutes also. So 8 hours plus 1 by 4 hour is nothing but 60 by 4, 15 minutes. So 8 hours 15 minutes, which is option number 4 here. Let's hear next question. See this question here. Here they have given in a constituency 85% of the total number of people on the electoral roll cast their votes. Let's say for example there are P people in the electoral vote. In these P people, 85% people casted their vote. 85% is nothing but 17 by 20, right? So P times 17 by 20, this value is nothing but who cast their vote. See the next part. 10% of the votes cast, these are the votes cast, right? In this 10% was declared invalid. If 10% were declared invalid, remaining 90% are valid votes, right? So 90% is nothing but 9 by 10. So the people who casted vote in this 9 by 10 are valid votes. So this is valid votes. See the next part. If there were 3 lakh people on the electoral vote, they have given us the P value here. So the P value is given as 3 lakhs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They asked us to find if Dharam secured 1,37,000 of the valid votes, means these total are valid votes, right? In these valid votes, if Dharam secured 137,700 votes, what is the percentage? Let's say for example this 137,700 is X percentage of valid votes. So in this valid votes, X percentage votes are 137 700. Okay, see the calculation, 2 zeros gets cancelled, 2 zeros, and these 2 zeros, these 2 zeros, and 1 0 and 1 0. See here, 17 nines how much? 90 plus 63, 153, right? So 153 and 137, 153 9 times is 177. So here 3 and here 3. So remaining left is x is 20 times 3. So x is 60% is our answer, which is option number 2 here. Let's hear next question. See this question. Here they have given Meenu is 38 years old. So Meenu's age is 38. Her daughter is 8 years old. Her daughter's age is 8 years old. They asked us to find in how many years will Meenu be double her daughter's age. So let's say these are the present ages. So after how many years later Meenu's age is twice of her daughter. So let's say after x years Meenu's age will be twice of her daughter. So they asked us to find this x value. Okay, Meenu and daughter. Present ages ratio how much? Meenu age is 38 and a daughter age is 8. Future ratio how much? Here they have given, right? See, mother by daughter ratio in future should be 2 by 1. Okay, so future ratio is 2:1. We know that age differences should be equal, right? See here, the difference is 30, but here the difference is 1. Let's make the differences equal. LCM of 1 and 30 is 30, so we can multiply second ratio with 30 in order to make the differences equal. So our new ratio is 2 times 30 is 60, 1 times 30 is 30. So the difference here is 30, which is equal. Now see here, present age of mother is 38, future age is 60, then only daughter's age is half of mother's age, or mother's age is twice of daughter. So 38, 60. How many years later? 22 years. Similarly, daughter 8 years, 30 years. After how many years? 22 years. So our answer is after 22 years, mother's age is twice of daughter's age, which is option number 2 here. Let's hear next question. See this average question. Here they have said, according to Raghav, his weight is more than 64 but less than 74. Let x be the weight of the Raghav. So according to Raghav, his weight is more than 64 but less than 74. So weight is in between 64 and 74. See here, x greater than 74 and x less than 74. See the next part. His sister does not agree with Raghav and she thinks his weight is more than 60 kg but less than 69 kg. So from his sister's point of view, Raghav's weight is between 60 kg and 69 kg. So 60 kg and 69 kg, more than 60 kg but less than 69 kg. From his mother's point of view, his weight cannot be more than 68. So from his mother's point of view, Raghav's age cannot be more than 68, which means less than or equals to 68. Either 68 or less than should be his weight, but not more than 68. See, from his father's point of view, his weight cannot be more than 67. Cannot be more than 67 means from his father's point of view, Raghu's weight is less than or equals to 67. Either it should be 67 or less than, but not more than 67. So what they asked to find? If all of them are correct in their estimation, if all these estimations are correct, what is the average of different probable weights of Raghav measured? See, from the first inequality 64 to 74, what are the probable weights of Raghav here? 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 and so on up to 73. See, 64 to 74 in between. From a sister's point of view, it should be 60 to 69. So, in between 60 to 69 but not 69, right? So, from 69 to 73, these probable weights are not correct. See, the sisters estimated inequality is between 60 to 69. They said all the estimations are correct. So, if this estimation is also correct, from 69 to 72, 73, these weights should not be considered. From his mother's point of view, it should be less than or equals to 68. So, it is verifying. From his father's point of view, it should be less than or equals to 67. Means either the weight should be 67 or less than. But here we estimated 68. So, 68 is also should not be taken. Now, we have to find the average of these three numbers. See, these three are in arithmetic progression. So, the difference is 1. So, the average is nothing but middle value, which is 66. So, the answer here is 66, which is option number 2 here. Let's see our next question. So, that's all for the quant section, guys. In this video, we covered 18 July, 3rd shift and 4th shift questions, and this reasoning question is from the 4th shift of 18 July. Try this and comment your answer. And if you like this session, please do hit that like button and share with your friends. See you in the reasoning video. Until then, take care. Love you all.